Hey there, meandering Newfoundlander, back on my bike. Little break from my vehicle. It's a little warmer today, so it's comfy. So today I am heading to Cuckhold's Cove, and if you're not sure where that is, it's between Quidi Vidi Lake and or Quidi Vidi Village and Signal Hill. So it's just kind of north of Signal Hill, I think, if I got my directions right. I could be wrong. But anyway, that's where I'm heading because apparently there's an iceberg there. So hopefully I'll get a chance to get my drone out and get some nice clips of that iceberg. So stick around and find out. Well, if you haven't been up here before, Cuckhold's Cove Road is the name of the street that you'd follow to get up to the lookout where the iceberg is. It's also a nice spot where you can get a nice lookout over the Quidi Vidi Village as well. Turns into a gravel road at some point though. Hope that don't bother you. Quidi Vidi Village. I wonder how many people are up here now, because these icebergs have been all over social media this morning. Might not be too bad. Wow. Okay, there's only a few people. Not many. Few hikers. Somebody smoking weed. Oh, there's the iceberg right there. Well, we struck gold, I guess. Over here, get my drone going. Now that's off Signal Hill, so I'm not going to be flying over Signal Hill or anything like that because I know that's not right, that's illegal. So launching from here, I'll stick around on the outskirts, which is totally fine. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video.
Fragile space in a single sail, white rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the waves, no need to behave in the harbor of pine straw beds, tangerine tears, t-shirts laid out like our grief throughout the years. We say it all with bait on our lines. We rise and we fall along with the tide in the harbor of healing. feeling, all the feeling.
Well, that was nice. Nice and close. Get a few shots. The wind was picking up, so I didn't want to take too many risks and stick around too long. Well, since I'm over this way, I might as well head down around Quidi Vidi Village, just to show you that while I'm here. Had a nice conversation with a lady for a few minutes there after my drone came back. Nice lady. This is Quidi Vidi Village. Very historic community. And nice narrow streets. I always get turned around. It's a small spot, but where it's so congested, I get all confused and not sure where I'm supposed to go, where I'm not supposed to go. And plus, everybody's walking around the roads and they don't really pay attention to what they're doing because they're tourists. Oh. Over here is Quidi Vidi Brewing Company. They craft their own beer. Look at a skeleton of I assume a codfish. Everybody's going to the same spot. Turn around. Go ahead. No exit. Go ahead. And it's not even tourist season yet. And it's a work day. I'm gonna go over this way and I'm gonna park and I'm gonna throw my drone up and give you a shot of Quidi Vidi Village from the air. I know, you're tagging along to see icebergs, and here I am giving you a tour of a community. That's it. That's why I'm called Meandering Newfoundlander, because I just wander aimlessly, which is what meandering means, just wandering around. Wonder if there are many people down by the slipway. So I like to go down there and just park and put the drone up. And to the left here is Quidi Vidi Lake. That's where every year they have the regatta. It's the oldest sporting event in North America, if I'm not mistaken, or the oldest race. Looks like they're doing construction down there. Well, that sucks. I was hoping to park down by this slipway and launch my drone. Helicopter flying around now, so I won't be able to fly it anyway. So I'm just going to park right here for a few minutes. Not like I'm going to be here all day. Wonder who that was. He's a veteran. All right. I don't even know why I do this, but I set my Google Maps every time, and I know my way home. But the thing I like about Google Maps is it'll direct you on the routes where there's less traffic. It'll help you stay away from construction and all that stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about all that now. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that little tour of Quidi Vidi and of course the Iceberg. I'm going to let you go now. It's kind of a shorter video. I don't need to drag this out because you saw what you came to see. Unless you want me to keep talking and riding, which I doubt. Quidi Vidi Lake. Anyway, this is getting awkward, so I'm going to let you go and I'll chat with you later. And thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. And have yourselves an awesome week.